Hey, Crispy. Crispy, did you fall asleep? It's time for the bacon assembly.
Whoa! I'm right there! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm ready!
Oh,
I'm ready!
Okay. Wow.
I'm sorry I was late.
It's okay. You were crispin in the sun.
I was crisping in the sun.
Well, we better get this assembly started real quick.
Let's go! What are the keys this month, Mr. Wicker?
The keys. They are balance
Balance!
and flexibility.
Flexibility! Have I told you about my YouTube yoga videos I've been doing?
You haven't, but that's not the type of flexibility we're talking about here.
Oh!
Yeah, we're talking about being able to be flexible in our learning.
Oh!
So let's get this started with
Kindergarten!
Kindergarten, here we come.
Here we go!
Give me a K.
K,
Give me E.
E,
Give me an R.
R,
Give me an A.
A,
Give me an L.
L,
Give me an A.
A.
What's that spell?
Carola Grant. There is no one more deserving than this Keep Balance award. You are kind, thoughtful, so wonderful to your friends. You've worked hard. You are balanced. Sweetheart, great job. Keep up the amazing work. You deserve this.
Hi, I have chosen Aiden Enright to receive the key of balance. Aiden knows how to work hard and play hard, and during our remote learning, he has kept up with all of the work, submitting on time, and seemed to enjoy doing it. He also participates in baseball, piano lessons every day, and he does all of this responsibly, with a smile on his face, knowing that he's doing the right thing. Way to go, Aiden. I'm so proud of you.
Hi, everybody. This month's Key of Excellence winner for balance from my class is our very own Blakelyn. Nice work, Blakelyn. Blakelyn earned this month's Key of Excellence for balance because she chose balance each and every day in everything she does. Whether it was when we were at school or she's doing her at-home learning, she's showing balance by keeping up with her schoolwork as well as keeping up with things that are fun for her, maybe outside or with her family. She shows balance in so many different ways, and we're just so proud of everything that she has done to earn this award. Way to go, Blakelyn. We are so proud of you.
Congratulations, Max Seamus. This one's for you. Yay! You are the definition of balance. You can do it all, my little friend. I mean everything. You know how to do reading and writing and working super hard at academics. You know how to follow the rules every single day on the playground, in the classroom. You're a nice friend to everybody all the time, and you know how to work hard and you know how to play hard. That's a balanced student. So you got it all, buddy. You're the whole package, super fantastic student. What a great year you had. Congratulations, my little friend Max.
Whoa! Good job! Good job, kindergarten!
Good job, kindergarten.
Good job, everybody! What's next?
Well, next we're gonna head on to first grade.
First grade! One of the best grades!
Because it's the first.
Number one.
Hey everybody, Mr. Dill here, about to announce my winner for the balance key. Drum roll, please. I would like to give my award to Natan. Natan, you are a great example and a great role model for modeling the key of balance in this distant learning that we have right now. You always get your work done and you produce very high quality work, and you're always so passionate and energetic about getting your schoolwork done from home. But you also balance it out by just having fun as a kid when your schoolwork is all done. So way to go, Natan. You are an awesome first grader.
The Balance Award goes to Liam McDonald. Woo! Liam, I am so proud of you. During this remote learning time, you have made sure that you have work time, but then you also have play time. You work hard on all the school activities that I send, and then you find time to have fun. And that's what balance means. Great job, Liam. I'm so proud of you.
I am giving the award this month to Logan in my class. Logan, you are a great example for the key of balance. You have always been such a great friend to everyone around you. You know when to be silly with them, to have fun with your friends, But most importantly, you also know when it's time to get back to work and get your schoolwork done. So thank you for showing that balance. I also appreciate how you would help your friends in knowing when it was time to get work done. So keep up the great work, Logan.
Congratulations, Lexi, on being our Key of Excellence winner. And although you show all of the character traits, I want to nominate you for balance for sure. Even when you're pulled out of the classroom, you come back in and you are focused and work really hard. And if you aren't finished with your work, you actually request to stay in for recess. That's amazing. And get your best work done. Also, the balance that you show at home with your dance and hockey and your brother's activities. I'm super proud that you still get your projects done, turn your homework in, and bring your book and a baggie back. We are so lucky to have you in our class, and you are amazing. Way to be a rock star, Lexi.
Great job, first grade.
Wow! Good job, first grade! Congratulations, everybody who received a key! And everybody who didn't receive a key!
Yeah, everybody who showed flexibility this month.
Flexibility!
Yeah, so let's go on to second grade.
Number 2, second grade! Number 2, second grade!
Balance means that we think of ourselves and others, and also the things that we have to do. Keep it all in balance! Our first winner is a second grader from Mr. Gherkin's class, Riley Major. Woo, yeah, oh yeah, whoa, way to go. Mr. Gherkin writes that Riley is a perfect example of the key of balance. During our distance learning, she has gotten all of her work done a great job with it, and spent lots of time with her family, enjoying their time together. Way to go, Riley, and great job being an example of the key of balance.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Mize. I would like to award Ella Leary with the Key of Balance for this month. Ella, what an amazing second grader you are. You have been rocking this online learning thing. You show balance by always working super hard at school and are committed to your hockey practice and still leave time for fun with friends, all while doing it with a smile and a good attitude. Thank you for being such a ray of sunshine in our class. You are amazing.
Hi, Cameron. Congratulations on winning our classroom award this month for balance. You've done a great job and we're very proud of you. All right, here's the award to Cameron Cly. We're so lucky to have Cameron as a bacon bulldog. You have shown wonderful balance as you fit right into our classroom. You are an excellent student that works really, really hard, but also know how to have fun. This is a great skill to have, Cameron. Nice job. Excellent. Congratulations on your award, Cameron. And we'll talk to you later. All right, bye, bud.
Woohoo, Eliana Boyd, this award is for you, the award of balance. Mo is so proud of you. She says, woohoo! We're so proud of you because you have balance at home, balancing fun, but also you are working so hard. You are like a rock star second grader. And I am so, so proud of the hard work you're doing. I love getting your messages every morning, and I love hearing about the fun things that you're doing at home. So keep it up. Keep up the great work. Don't stop. You're a rock star. Woohoo! Good job.
Woo! Got a little close to the camera that time, didn't I?
That was a little close, Crispy.
What's next? Hey, great job, second grade.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we say great job, second grade.
We gotta make sure we say that.
Gotta say
great
it.
Job, second grade.
And now it's time to go to third.
George, you're the winner this week for the award of balance. I'm so proud of you, my friend. George, you represent the key of balance in many ways. You know how to use your time wisely. You do hard work, but you find time to play too, which is awesome. You are always staying positive, even in the hard times, and you're always trying your best. You've done a very good job lately, George, and I just wanted to recognize you for that. Keep it up, buddy.
Hello, Bacon. I wanted to nominate Emily McKenzie from my third grade class to receive our Balance Award. So I'm not just nominating Emily because she's been doing acrobatic and gymnastic Zoom sessions, but But I chose to honor Emily with the Balance Award because she is a friendly and kind student, but she knows the perfect balance of when to be with friends and when to work hard on her learning. And I also wanted to recognize her for the Balance Award because she has been working so hard to get all of her distance learning items done, but she is also finding time to keep her body healthy by spending time outside. Way to go, Emily.
Hey Sammy, I picked you to get the Key of Balance this month. Good job. You are being a rock star. You're doing all of your work. You're checking the rubrics to make sure you're a strategic learner, and you are rocking it. So great job. Keep up the great work.
Great job, 3rd grade.
All right, they're done. 3rd grade. Good job, 3rd grade. I'm so proud of you.
Yep.
Each and every one of you.
We're very
Each and every one of
proud.
you.
Now let's get on to 4th grade.
Number 4, 4th grade, 4th grade, 4th grade, 4th grade.
I'd like to give this award to Evelyn Gomez Devora. Evelyn, you are the perfect role model for both flexibility and balance. You are focusing on what is important in your life, and you have adapted to our new style of learning. Evelyn, keep being the happy, positive person that you are. Congratulations.
I'm giving the Key of Flexibility this month to Macy Hellickson. Congratulations, Macy. I'm so very proud of you. The definition of flexibility is responding to changing our new situations. This is such a valuable trait to have, and Macy has shown it all year long, but especially recently. She was staying with her grandparents while her parents were working as nurses, and she continued to keep up with her schoolwork. I'm so proud of your effort and hard work, Macy. Congratulations.
Hello, Mrs. Du Bois here. I would like to recognize Kendall for the Key of Balance. Kendall has done an amazing job being a champion with our online learning, balancing her schoolwork while also getting outside and spending time with her family. She does an excellent job during the school year, balancing her schoolwork and playing volleyball as well. So, Kendall, we're so proud of you. Congratulations.
Stella, it is a pleasure to present this award to you because this is your first key as a Bacon Bulldog. You are a great example of a student that shows balance because you have adapted to the online learning so well, and you are always joyful and you're always positive. It has been a pleasure being your teacher this year. Thank you for giving your best and being such an amazing Bulldog. Stella, keep up the great work.
Great job, 4th grade.
Yay! Yay! Good job, 4th grade. What? Hey, you got quiet all of a sudden. What's happening now?
I was just thinking about all those 5th graders who have been showing bark behavior for so long. Let's honor some of them with keys.
Okay, the Keys of Balance.
Congratulations, Tyler, for getting this month's Key Award for Balance. It's so impressive to see the way you have stepped up to the plate with your learning and academics, the way you are helping other people in the class, the way you are being a leader in the newscasts, and balancing it out with taking care of yourself and your friends, with pursuing all your passions like baking, like getting outside and playing. Way to show balance. You're such a model for us.
Ian Lehrman, I'm nominating you for this last Key of Excellence this year, all about balance, because I've been so impressed with your ability to stay balanced while you're working virtually, getting your work done, asking questions, being part of our class meetings, and just really taking your job seriously. And I'm so impressed and I'm proud of you, buddy. And I miss you terribly and wish we could finish the year strong together, but I know that you're on the right track and you're going to have a great middle school experience. Congratulations and keep up the hard work. It's going to pay off.
Hey, Carl, you are this month's key winner for balance. I chose you because you know how to balance things in your life. You know how to balance fun. You know how to balance work. You know how to balance fun. Did I mention it's fun having you in class? I always appreciate how you're able to have a good time with your peers, with me, with your other teachers, but you also know how to really work hard. And I'm very proud of all the hard work that you've done this year. So keep it up and congratulations to you, Carl!
Great job, 5th grade.
Oh my goodness gracious! Good job, 5th grade. They're graduating soon, right? They're graduating?
Yep, we are going to do a graduation. It's just going to look a little bit different.
I'm gonna miss them.
Yeah, we're all going to miss them.
Well, congratulations, 5th grade, and good job demonstrating those bark behaviors.
Yep, you bet. So you might be thinking to yourself, hey, Crispy, I wonder, are we going to have another assembly?
I don't know. I mean, you're in charge of these, so you tell me.
Yeah, well, I was wondering if you wondered that.
I'm not the one who decides the schedule.
That's true. That's my job.
Yeah.
So there is going to be another assembly.
Oh!
This time it's going to be coming from our specials and enrichment teachers, and it will happen in 2 weeks.
2 weeks! Specials! Enrichment!
It'll be happening on May 15th, our last day of the school year.
May 15th? That's in 2 weeks!
That's in 2 weeks.
Ah!
So, see ya.